Good news, MCC students. The MCC Writing Center makes it easy for you to schedule appointments thanks to updates in Starfish. In this video, we're going to spend a little bit of time showing you the process for creating an appointment online and also editing and canceling an appointment that you made through our Starfish system. First of all, let's go over a couple of rules for the road. As a student, you may schedule appointments up to 1 week in advance. You are limited to 2 hours of Writing Center assistance per week, per class. And failure to show up for an appointment without calling to cancel ahead of time or going online and canceling ahead of time twice during the semester will result in appointment privileges being revoked for the remainder of the semester. You can continue to do walk-in assistance during the time when appointments aren't filled, but as far as scheduling in advance, you will not be able to do that. In addition to be able to create an appointment in the online system, you can also have the ability to do walk-in appointments when campus is open. And as I just mentioned, you can also call in to schedule your appointments as well. So let's spend a little bit of time showing you how to create an appointment using Starfish. The first thing you want to do is log into your My Apps area. This is your single sign-on and you will see a tile for Starfish. A workaround for Starfish is going to ask you to enter your password again. Go ahead and do that. Once in Starfish, you'll be taken to your Success Network. Here you can scroll down until you find the Writing Center, and from here you can schedule or even call to make an appointment. We're going to walk you through scheduling online. Once you're in the Starfish scheduling area, you now have the ability to set up an appointment based on the type of assistance you are looking for. Find the one that most closely fits what you're looking for, and even if you can't find exactly a fit, just click on one and then you'll be taken to the next screen. On this screen, you'll be able to select a date and time and also a Writing Center consultant to meet with. Select the date, and the consultants will show up based on the time in which they're working. Select the time and the consultant and click Continue. Here you're going to have a summary of your visit. Make sure to read the information, including the consultant and the meeting instructions. And if you have any additional details that you'd like to add, go ahead and enter them in this text box. If all looks good, go ahead and click Confirm. You should receive confirmation that your visit has been scheduled, and it's here in this summary window that you can make immediate changes if you need to reschedule your appointment or make any other updates. If at some point you do find out that you need to make a change, you can still do so. You can also cancel your appointment. Here are the steps for taking care of that. Click on the menu bars in the upper left-hand corner, and you have two options from here. You can either click on Upcoming, and that will show you any upcoming appointments that you have, both for the Writing Center or any other appointments. From here, you can cancel the appointment by clicking on the menu dots and choosing Cancel Appointment. If you like, you can leave a message explaining your need to cancel. You can also click on the tile, and that will take you into an area where you can also cancel or update your reason for the visit. As was mentioned, you can also visit your dashboard, and if for some reason you need to edit your appointment, you can do so clicking on the pencil icon, and you can change other important details about your appointment. If for some reason you need to change the date and time of your appointment, you'll need to cancel the appointment first, and then you can reschedule. If you have any other questions about upcoming Writing Center appointments or to make an appointment, please contact the Writing Center. Thanks a lot for your time. Have a great day.